I'm SM Vishnu Prasad from third year EC department. This is the case study on leadership theory. The art of getting people to do what they really don't want to do and don't feel that equipped to do against a timeline that they don't believe in, with the risk that scares them, to achieve an objective they believe at the beginning to be the impossible. Eric Grigorky. Meaning of leadership. The two definitions suggest several components central to the phenomenon of leaderships. Some of them are leadership involves influencing others, leadership is a process, leaderships happen within the context of group, leadership involves goal attainment, and these goals are shared by the leaders and their followers. Models and theories of leadership. Trait theory 30s, behavioral theory 40s and 50s, contingency theory 60s and 70s, transformational theories 80s upon. Others emerged and distributed shared level 5 leaderships, etc. Trait theory 1930s to 1940s. Essentially, the trait theory postulates that the personal characteristics, examples, personality traits, cognitive traits, interpersonal skills determine an individual potential of leadership roles. Furman 2005. Thus, leadership is something intrinsic to do the individual. This approach emphasizes leaders' attributes such as personalities, motives, values, and skills. Nikhil in 2006. Behavioral theory 1940s to 1950s. Behavioral theories 1940s to 1950s. As there were inherent limitations with the traits approach to leadership, when early researchers ran out of the steam in their search of traits, they turned to what leaders did, how they behaved and came with the behavioral theories of leaderships. This became the dominant way of approaching leaderships within organizations in 1950s and early 1960s. The behavioral theories are offering a new perspectives, one of the focused on the behaviors of the leaders as opposed to the mental, physical, or social characteristics. Contingency theories, it follows in 1960s. Contingency theory is a class of behavioral theory that claims that there is no best way to organize a corporations to lead a company or to make decisions instead of the optimal course of action in contingencies dependent upon their internal and external situations. It is called the contingency because it suggests that the leader's effectiveness depends on how well the leader's style fits on the context or the situations. This theory suggests that no leadership style is the best in all situations. In other words, the leader modifies the best course of the actions based upon their his or her own personal characteristics and context, that is the current situations. Told by Kum in 2001. Relationship theories, it follows in 1970s. Relationship theories are also known as the transformational theories, evolved in the latest 1970s and early 1980s. Hickman and 1990. They focused on the connections formed between the leaders and the followers. In these theories, leadership is the process by which a person engages with others. It's enabled to create a connection that results in increased motivational and morality in both the followers and the leaders. New leadership approaches. Beginning around the 1890s, the concept of the leadership changes directions with what they refer as a new leaderships. Researchers have almost often tend to include the transaction leadership transformations, leaderships, charismatic leaderships, and visionary leaderships in its trend. Thank you.